Hello and welcome to Curry TV. As I promised, I'm here back again with a seasonal Christmas plum cake recipe. And this is actually the preparation for a deluxe fruit cake mix that we get to buy from our local grocery store. And I like to convert that into our style. So I have one. This is actually 16-ounce candied Tutti Frutti, which we are going to put into a bowl. So the Tutti Frutti comes in pink, red, green, yellow, all the Christmassy colors, right? Along with some cherries. So we're going to soak this in black rum. We're going to pour 1/4 cup of black rum into this mixed Tutti Frutti and soak it, prep it. So if you haven't not familiar with this one, it's a very the ingredients are orange peel, cherries, lemon peel, pineapple. What else is there? Corn syrup is there. That's that gooey stuff that makes you, if you touch any of this, it sticks onto you. Yeah, that's that. And there's different colors of Tutti Frutti along with this. Now this is all good to go. What I'm going to do next is convert this into a mason jar, and we're going to store it aside for at least 2 months. I'm doing this in the beginning of the year when all the Christmas sale things goes on sale. Buy a few of these, stock them up, prep it like so, and then forget about it. For the next 3 days, I would have to stir it around, making sure it gets all around in there, right? That alcohol gets absorbed into all of it. But when it bakes, it goes away. So that is what I'm going to be doing. Let's convert all of this into our mason jar. All right, that was easy. It's all done. We just have to close this and keep it in a dry, cool area and forget about it. No, before you forget about it, stir it for the next 3 days. Every day, just stir it with a wooden spatula, and wooden spatula would be the best thing, because if there's any moisture in this, it will go bad. I like to start baking my cake beginning of December. So that's when I'm going to be opening this jar up. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you like more or questions about this, please reach out to us through our comments down below. And if you have subscribed already, thank you so much. If you haven't, do so. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.